Today we'll learn how to animate a fish using just a photo in After Effects. Import your assets, bring in your background image and the fish PNG into the project panel. Drag both into the timeline. Place the fish PNG above the background. Select the puppet pin tool from the toolbar and add around 6 pins on key points of the fish, e.g., head, tail, fins, and body. Now, open the timeline, expand the fish layer, and go to the deform section to see all 6 puppet pins. Select all 6 pins and keyframe them at the starting position. Move forward a few frames. Slightly change the positions of the pins to create a natural movement. Select the new keyframes, copy CTRL and C, and paste CTRL and V multiple times, around 6 to 8 times, to extend the animation. Each time, adjust the pin positions to create variety in movement. Make sure your keyframes are evenly spaced to create a smooth and continuous swimming animation. That's it. Preview your timeline and enjoy your animated fish. If you want tutorials on more cool effects, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick